In this problem, Kavita has a cumulative deposit account in a bank. She deposits rupees 600 per month. So rupees 600 is what? Your principal amount, and gets rupees 6165 at the time of maturity. So your maturity value is how much? 6165. If the rate of interest is 6%, so your rate of interest is how much? 6%. Find the total time for which the account was held. So you have to find out n, number of months. Whenever such kind of problem is there, to solve this problem is very easy. But most of you are feeling it difficult. Why? Since you are not concentrating, that's why. Once you will concentrate and understand, this problem is very easy. So let's see, whenever such kind of problem is coming, very first you find out the interest by whatever the values you are knowing, that you substitute and find out the interest. So let's see, I equals to P into n plus 1 into R upon 100 into 2 into 12. I equals to 600 into n plus 1 into 6 upon 100, here 2 into 12. So we are having 3 upon 2 n into n plus 1. So 3n plus 3 upon 2 n. This is the interest. Now maturity value. Maturity value equals to P into n plus I. We are knowing maturity value, it is given in the question, it is 6165. Your principal amount is 600. And we have to find out plus I, 3 upon 2 n square plus 3 upon 2 n. 6165 equals to 600n plus 3 upon 2n plus 3 upon 2 n square. Now little more clearly you see, here it is n square, so we cannot add it, but if we see here there is n and n, so we can add it, means n will be common, and 600 plus 3 upon 2, and here is your n plus 3 upon 2 n square. Now here we have seen this problem till here. Now if you see, both here in the denominator 2 is there, so this complete equation I am multiplying by 2. So this 6165 into 2, I will get 12330. Then here multiplying by 2, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Same way here multiplying by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what I am getting is 1203n and then 3n square. Now this 3n square I brought it here, Here this is plus, so 1, 2, 0, 3 and plus, and this shifted on the other side, so minus. This is the equation. Now if you see, this is 3 is divided by 3, this is also divided by 3, and this is also divided by 3. So all these three terms are divisible by 3. So just to simplify it, I am dividing all these three terms by 3. So n square, and 1203 divided by 3 gives me 401, and 12330 divided by 3 give me 4110. Now you can see this is in the form of an equation. Now this you can factorize it. Now find out the factors of minus 4110. It is minus 411 and minus 10. Further I am solving here. So here I get n square plus 411n minus 10n minus 4110 equals to 0. From here n common, so n plus 411. Here minus 10 common, so n plus 411 equals to 0. N plus 411 common, and n minus 10. So n plus 411 equals to 0, and n minus 10 equals to 0. So n equals to minus 411 and n equals to 10. But month can't be negative. Your month can't be negative. So n equals to minus 411 rejected. So what is your answer? Your answer is n equals to 10. N equals to 10 is your answer. I hope you all understood. So here with this we end with this lesson.